You've been lied to about boiled eggs your entire life. What if something as simple as your breakfast could be changing your body in ways you never expected? Boiled eggs. For many, they're the symbol of clean eating. A perfectly portioned powerhouse of protein, nestled in a smooth white shell, ready to fuel your morning. Nutritionists, diet books, and fitness coaches have praised their virtues for years. Low in calories, high in nutrients, and easy to prepare, boiled eggs have claimed their spot on breakfast tables, lunchboxes, and even elite athletes' meal plans worldwide. But what if the humble boiled egg is a lot more complex than it seems? Recent scientific discoveries are turning our understanding upside down, exposing hidden truths about how this everyday food interacts with our bodies. From subtle hormone shifts to dramatic changes in metabolism, the boiled egg's impact goes far beyond what's printed on its nutrition label. Let's crack beneath the surface. For decades, boiled eggs have been heralded as a model of balanced nutrition, packed with all 9 essential amino acids, rich in vitamins and minerals like B12 and selenium, and containing just the right amount of healthy fats. They're staples for anyone looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply eat clean. But new research is revealing a far more nuanced picture. Scientists are discovering that specific compounds within the egg yolk, like choline and certain phospholipids, could influence cholesterol metabolism in ways we never expected. While some people can eat eggs daily without negative effects, others experience spikes in LDL cholesterol due to genetic factors affecting how their bodies process dietary fat and cholesterol. And what about weight loss? It turns out the timing and preparation of your boiled egg could be just as important as the egg itself. Boiling an egg causes the proteins inside to denature or unfold, making them more digestible. This process can actually change the speed at which your body absorbs amino acids, which in turn influences muscle recovery and feelings of fullness. But here's the twist. Eating boiled eggs in the morning may trigger different metabolic pathways than eating them at night. Morning consumption has been linked to increased satiety and more stable blood sugar throughout the day, while late-night egg meals could prompt your body to store more fat, depending on your unique metabolic rhythms. There's also a thermal impact to consider. The act of boiling not only alters protein structure, but can also influence the bioavailability of certain vitamins, like biotin, and the absorption of minerals such as iron and zinc. Research hints that the temperature and duration of boiling might even affect how your body responds to the egg, with some experts pointing out a critical 90-second window where nutrient availability peaks before declining again. Let's hear what the experts have to say. According to Dr. Karen Wilcox, a nutritional biochemist at Stanford University, nutritionally, the boiled egg is a paradox. It has both the power to aid muscle recovery and disrupt hormonal balance, depending on the individual's metabolism and lifestyle. Dr. Wilcox notes that while eggs contain high-quality protein that can support muscle growth, they also house bioactive compounds that interact with hormones like insulin and leptin, key players in appetite and fat storage. For some, this means a boiled egg can help regulate hunger and promote weight loss. For others, especially those with insulin resistance or certain hormonal disorders, it may trigger a cascade of hormonal shifts that make weight management more difficult. Endocrinologist Dr. Hakeem Alvarez adds another layer of caution. People think of eggs as harmless, but in some cases, especially when consumed excessively, we see elevated levels of insulin-like growth factors that can lead to unintended consequences. These growth factors stimulated by amino acids found in eggs, have been linked to increased cell proliferation and, in rare cases, may influence the risk of certain diseases. This doesn't mean eggs are dangerous for everyone, but it does point to the importance of individual differences in how foods affect our bodies. So, what does all this mean for your diet? Should you stop eating boiled eggs entirely? Or are you just eating them the wrong way? Here's where it gets even more intriguing. Some nutrition scientists now suggest that the context in which you eat your eggs, what you pair them with, the time of day, and even your own genetic makeup can dramatically change their impact on your health. Eating eggs alongside fiber-rich vegetables can slow the absorption of cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar, while pairing them with refined carbs may negate some of their benefits. And remember that critical 90-second window? This refers to the brief period after boiling when the egg's nutrients are most bioavailable. Letting eggs sit too long after cooking or overcooking them might mean missing out on their full nutritional potential. But the most surprising discovery might be how eggs affect your metabolism. Some studies show that eating boiled eggs in the morning can prime your metabolism for the day, leading to greater calorie burn and improved energy levels. Others indicate that for people with certain genetic profiles, frequent egg consumption may contribute to higher cholesterol and increased risk of metabolic syndrome. The bottom line? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The boiled egg could be your best friend or your hidden dietary foe, depending on factors like your age, activity level, and even your gut microbiome. Boiled eggs might not be as innocent as they seem. Their impact is real, measurable, and in some cases, shocking. By understanding how your body responds to them, you could unlock better energy, a more efficient metabolism, and long-term health benefits you never imagined. The truth is cracked wide open. Now it's up to you to look inside. Will you keep eating boiled eggs the same way? Or will you rethink your routine in light of this new science? The choice is yours, and your breakfast may never be the same again.